Hey, how are y'all all doing today? Hope y'all all doing well, and I hope y'all was able to profit today. Now today, it's not going to be a regular just trade review today. I'm going to briefly go over this trade that I took today. After that, we're going to go over all this bullshit right here. I do have the executions for this trade, but like I said before, it's not a typical trade review today. I need to go over this. This is more so going to be a video for my personal psychology and for others who's going through the same thing in their trading. But let's break down this trade real quick. Let me open these. All right, matter of fact, go back a little bit more. All right. Pre-market analysis. We have two daily cycle sequential SMT at the highs, as well as we had our monthly cycle sequential SMT coming into today. But YM was close to breaking the sequential SMT, the monthly cycle at the highs. So I paid it no mind. Now we do have two. Well, during this time we had one sequential SMT at the lows, daily cycle sequential. And then so far I have noted that Monday just accumulated, Tuesday open, manipulated, put in a manipulation for our weekly power 3, and then Wednesday started to distribute. Now today today is our expansion quarter. If you know what AMDX AMD is, in this case this is AMDX week. Now today is our, as I said before, expansion quarter. I want to see higher prices ideally, as it goes with our overall high time frame narrative, and just us being at all-time highs, seeking higher and higher prices currently. Now, I didn't really anticipate our lower day or our previous day range to get hit. As ideally, our range has already been mitigated yesterday, as we don't lack sell side delivery and we don't lack buy side delivery. In this case, during Tuesday, we lack buy side delivery. Wednesday opens up and clears it, and we're inside of a overall balanced range, as you could see. Now, what did I say about shorts? I had my eyes on ideally 30,000 could possibly get hit today. Matters on how bullish we were going to be, honestly. And for a short opportunity, as we always gotta keep our eyes on each side of the market and which side could play out. Of course, there's always going to be two possibilities, as higher and lower. We always got to keep our eyes on both possibilities, not just one. So for shorts, for me, I would have needed for us to just give us super bear structure and just for us to fall over. And I was going to target our overall previous day range and our possibly previous day lows, essentially. But market opens up. I cannot see the time. 8:45. All right, before market opens, we had a news dump. I believe we had news today. We did. So yeah, news opens and then we start spooling lower. Forms another daily cycle sequential SMT at the lows. Then from right here, we had everything to validate dropping down to a 1-minute chart, as well as we had microcycle sequential SMT right here. And then bing. This is 9:30 open. Ideally, I should have pressed long right here, or even right here, as my setup presented pre-market as well. And we have every single thing. We have a retracement lower. We have every single sequential SMT to validate longs. And also, what else do we have? Over a high time frame inside of our direction. Now, what happened this right here? So I'm even more mad because I could have ideally took this off of open towards our high a day was what I was targeting. Believe so. And then price opens and just pulls higher. And then boom, 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 pulls back, and overall would have hit the take profit. Now, what I noted was this right here. Boom, boom. I noted the long possibility, could have took the entry right there, but I was waiting until open, and I should have took that. I was waiting until open, as you know, open tends to manipulate a lot, and we could have possibly stopped me out before we actually ran. So I was waiting until open. I should have got filled. Ideally, one of these candles, 930 or 931 candle, should have got filled and would have caught this overall trade in range. Now, I ended up taking this trade right here, as y'all can see on my social medias, and what I just showed. Boom. SMT between these candles. Small pullback. I'm not anticipating a huge pullback. Why? There's no gaps. There's no fair value gaps to support a huge pullback at all. Boom, boom. Put this right here. Get filled on like this candle right here. That's all at this low. Price runs a little bit. I go break even at London, and then price edges the overall draw, and then spools back, come back lower. After that, I missed this opportunity to go long, and I missed this opportunity to go long. After that, it was just a emotional day. Honestly, we could have easily, ideally, I was trying to just catch more continuation longs. I should have got the fuck off the charts, but I let today break me. So that's the trade review. If you wanted to see the trade review. Now, coming into tomorrow and for the future, I'm never, this is for myself. This is not even for y'all. This is for myself. I'm never gonna let these fucking charts break me like they did today. I was chasing the payout. That's the reason why I was still looking for another trade. I was chasing the fucking payout. And it's honestly just fucking irritates me so bad. It just makes me so fucking mad. Honestly. Because I was taking these trades and I'm just like, what the fuck am I doing? Because I took initial loss up here, somewhere right here. Took initial loss, then I took another trade and got break even. After that, I was like, hey, why the fuck did I even trade? Why the fuck did I even take another trade? I could have just waited till tomorrow and hit my consistency rule and got paid the fuck out. So after that, I was chasing the break even, and then I was just getting fucked. All right here, just getting fucked. All right here. I could have even, I was in a short right here. I was targeting even much lower, even lower. I was just getting fucking greedy, and then it was just pulls back on me, and I was just losing my fucking mind. Then I get stopped out. Then I took another trade. 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 Never the fuck again. I'm never doing this to myself ever again. Ever again. I lost my cool. I lost everything. I even took a fucking trade on YM because it was just spooling, praying that it was gonna go lower. I'm never doing that shit again. Just looking at this, doing this shit today, really makes me so fucking angry. This is why I haven't been able to be as consistent as I wanted to be, because of days like these. Normally days like these blow my fucking account. They blow my shit. They blow my fucking account, and I reset every time. Today, luckily I did not blow my account. I still have my accounts. I'm still in profit for the week. I stopped trading because of my, sadly to say, I stopped trading because my fucking daily loss limit got hit. It saved my fucking life. It saved my fucking account. But it's like, bro, what the fuck am I doing? I was trading. I'm like, what the fuck am I doing? Honestly, like, I was just praying. I was just trading hopes and fucking dreams. And I was just like, I missed this entire credible move. I have everything to validate my move. I have everything to go with me. And I just hesitated at these lows. I was bitching. And I'm like, what the fuck? It just runs. I'm just like, what the fuck? What was I bitching for? What was I so afraid of? What was I so scared of? And it's like, bro, a lot of people who I trade with, a lot of my friends, a lot of my homies, they just like, yo, you're so fucking calm. You're so, you're so composed. Everything. It's like I try my best to be. I'm still human too. I have days like these too. I just don't show them. I just don't let them break me. I don't let them discourage me. And today is the last day I'm ever going to do some bullshit like this ever again. Every single time from now on, I'm getting aggressive with my model. All my entries aggressive. If it's there, I'm taking it. If it's there, the logic, the narrative, everything, I'm taking it instantly. It don't fucking matter. The risk, I will size down if I have to. I'm taking that shit. I'm executing. I'm never going to take hella trades ever again. I'm taking no more than 3 trades ever. I'm taking no more than 3 trades. Today is the most trades I ever took in 1 week. And when I took this, the most amount of trades I ever took in a week I did this in a single day. Like, I fucking lost it, bro. Right, it's genuinely frustrating. But what else is there to say? Like, honestly, let me look through my notes real quick. I'm just rambling. Give me a second, just ramble for a little bit longer. Cause honestly, bro, this is fucking ridiculous. Bro, like, this shit about to make me mad, bro, again. But it's just like, nothing really else to be said about this shit. I just chased the payout, essentially. And that's what prop firms want you to do. They want you to chase it. And this is the last day I'm going to ever chase that. I'm chasing consistency. As I said, this is my series 2 consistency. So I'm chasing consistency. And I'm never going to... This is going to be the last video y'all are ever going to see of me crashing out or anything of the sort. Because I'm never going to let it happen again. I'm genuinely never going to let it happen ever again. This shit is bullshit. Like, it's bullshit. I'm bullshitting myself. Sitting here, taking all these trades, trying to make profits so fucking bad. I'm bullshitting myself. Not no one else. I'm only bullshitting myself. And I need to be transparent with myself as well as this video, because I'm on a video posting streak, and I will be damned if I don't post every single loss, every single win. No matter what, I'll be damned if I don't do it. I don't really got much to say from here besides that I'm going to come in tomorrow, and if my setup presents, I'm going to execute. And I'm going to kill the markets in the next up and coming week. Next week, I'm killing the markets. This week so far has been... Start of the week was pretty good. Middle of the week was like okay. Wednesday was okay. I had control of myself on Wednesday. Today, I let today get to me and break me. Honestly, it's fucking irritating every single time I think about it, but this is the last time I'm ever going to break. And I'm just gonna, like I said before, I'm just gonna kill NQ. That's it. If I can say that. I'm just gonna fucking murder NQ for the remaining of the year, and for the up and coming years. I'm just gonna kill it, man. But that's about it. I'm going to make sure I secure this payout next week, as long as I don't take statistical losses, because I will be damned if I take any more emotional trades or emotional losses. So yeah, y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day, night, evening, whenever y'all watching this video, and y'all stay very safe, of course, and yeah, stay on top of yourself, stay on top of your psychology, journal everything, and become the better version of yourself.